Hello, hello! Andito na naman sa Teacher Mayet, ang iyong Waray Nun Math Tutor. So, meron na naman tayong bagong sasagutan. So, if you have noticed, ang mga given value ay nasa diagonals. Nasa diagonal ng love parallelogram natin. Okay, so meaning, our topic is about solving diagonals of a parallelogram. So, paano ba ang mag-solve ng diagonal ng isang parallelogram? So, we have a given problem here. So, meron tayong ditong parallelogram loves. So, meron ng S kasi diagonals na yung hanapin natin. Okay, so we will be looking for the value of A. So, ano ba talaga ang value ni A? Saka ni B, ni line segment LS, ni line segment ES, at saka ni line segment OS, ni line segment EO or the diagonal, at saka ni line segment LV, the other diagonal. Okay, so kung ganito yung problem natin, meron agad tayong masosolve, dalawa. So, we can answer that two problems, the value without solving it. So, magme-mental computation lang tayo. Kahit di na tayo magpakita ng solution. So, ano yun? So, that is the LS. So, ito, bakit? Of course, because of the condition under parallelogram stating that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, ibig sabihin ng bisect is that diagonal divides a parallelogram into two equal parts. Okay, so since ito yung diagonal na to, ibig sabihin, kung 7 dito, kung si VS measures 7, so ilan si LS sa palagay mo? Very good. Also, 7. Okay, so LS is 7. Diba? At tayo nag-solve. Nag-solve tayo pero sa utak lang. Mentally computation. Okay, so next is, ano pa yung pwede natin i-solve? Agad-agad. Si line segment LV. So, line segment LV is the measure of the diagonal. So, ano ba yung measure ng diagonal? So, kung 7 dito si VS at another 7 si LS, meaning, the diagonal measures, very good. So, 14 or 7 plus 7 equals 14. So, naka-answer agad tayo ng dalawa. Okay. So, between A at saka B, alin yung mas madali mong sagutan? Diba? So, yun yung lagi kong tinuturo sa school. Doon ka muna mag-solve sa mabilis mong sagutan. Baka mamaya kasi mag-time na, at least meron kang siguradong sagot. So, between A, B, ang mas madaling sagutan si B. So, sa B, finding the value of B, so, pwede hindi na rin tayo mag-solve, kahit ka na mag-show ng solution. So, halimbawa, sige, sa palagay mo, ano yung value ni B na pag in-add natin kay 4, the answer is 7. Ano yun? Very good. That is 3. Okay. So, B, So, B is 3. So, paano kung gusto ni teacher, pakita mo yung solution mo kasi 5 points pala yun. So, how will you show your solution? Simple lang. So, in solving B, so, babalikan ulit natin kanina yung condition na nabanggit natin. That is, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, meaning these two line segments are equal. So, line segment LS is congruent to line segment VS. Okay, so that is our basis in solving for B. So let's formulate a mathematical equation or an equation na lang. So by formulating an equation, we just simply replace congruent by equal sign. Ano? So copy. Then let us substitute. What is the given value of LS? LS is B plus 4. VS is 7. Okay? So since we're looking for B, si B lang ang maiwan sa left side of the equation. So, yung mga walang variable, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, transposing positive 4 to the other side of the equation will reverse its sign. So, positive 4 will become negative 4. B equals, what is 7 minus 4? Very good, that is 3. Ano C? Parehas lang. Parehas lang sila. Na? So, LS, si E, LS, ayun, nasagutan na natin kanina, is 7. Kasi, pag inad natin si 3 kay 4, that is 7. Okay, so let's move to the value of A. So, solving A, gagayahin lang natin yung ginawa natin kay B kanina. So, ano yung dalawang line segments na congruent? So, ES, line segment ES is congruent to line segment OS. Okay, palitan natin si congruent na equal. Okay, then substitute the given value of ES, which is 3A minus 2. OS is A plus 6. Okay, so ganun ulit so may dalawa tayong A both sides of the equation. So ang magmo-move lang yung mas maliit na kasama ni A. So si A, kasama niya dito is 3. Dito, meron siyang invisible 1 na kasama. Okay, so meaning si A ang magmo-move. So bakit hindi natin i-move yung mas malaki? Kasi once na si mas malaki ang minove natin, si 3A, going to the right side, ang answer dito magiging negative na siya. So magdi-divide pa ulit tayo ng negative. So unlike kung si A na lang, dire-diretso na lang yung pag-solve natin. So ganun lang yun. So 3A, copy si 3A, transpose, positive A to the other side will become negative A. Then copy si 6, transpose negative 2 to the right side, negative 2 will become positive 2. So, what is 3A minus A? Or mayroon yung 1, since they are common, they have a common variable, A, kopya la si A. What is 3 minus 1? That is 2, or 2A. What is 6 plus 2? Very good, that is 8. So again, just like X, so ang mga variables, loyal talaga sila kay 1. So gusto nila yung hindi nakikita. Gusto lang talaga nila si Y ang makakasama nila, Sige. So paano natin gagawing 1 si 2? Very good. So simply divide both sides by 2. Cancel, or what is 2 divided by 2? That is 1. 1 times A is A na lang. Then what is 8 divided by 2? So dividing 2 is just the half of the upper number or the dividend. Ano ba yung kalahati ni 8? Of course, that is 4. Okay, so our A is 4. So, kung si A ay 4, pera si OS. Very good. That is 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, sige nga. So, magiging 4 plus 6 equals 10. So, kung 10 si OS, ilan si ES? Very good. That is also 10. Sige, pero palabasin natin talaga si 10. So, what is the value of A? 4 minus 2. 3 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12 minus 2 is 10. So, they are equal. So, kung 10 si OS at saka another 10 si ES, so ilan si EO? Ilan ang measure ng diagonal EO? Very good. That is 20. So, bakit 20? Kasi 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay. Madali lang palang pag-solve ng diagonals ng parallelogram. So, I hope may natutunan kayo. At kung may natutunan kayo at nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, pakishare na lang para makatulong din tayo sa iba. At para laging updated ka sa mga bago nating i-upload na videos, paki-follow na rin yung page ni Teacher Mayet. Ano yung page ko? Waraynon Math Tutor. Okay, thank you. Sunod uli. Bye-bye.